Now we know why the plane tickets were so cheap.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, it's a good friend. Look at this babe.
Oh,
That's terrible.
shit. Yeah.
It's crazy down there, man. Look at this, babe.
That
Right
guy,
here in that
that's
corner.
the problem.
Yeah.
There's something wrong with this guy's car. Oh, shit is right, babe. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Alright.
Don't go, don't move, he said.
I said that guy told, call me. Alright. Alright.
You can do it, you got it?
Oh, sorry.
You got it, babe.
Yeah, I got it.
Shit, man, the road is fucking flooded.
They need something, baby.
You got money? Stay over